Welcome to the Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemical news show. It is Thursday, December 6th. I am Hetal Yagnik. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Hyderabad-based Kinetic Polymers. Let's start with domestic market news. Reliance Industries Limited has raised its PP deemed export prices by 40 paisa per kg basic with effect from December 6, 2018. Moving on to energy and feedstock news, oil futures dropped on Wednesday as OPEC and allied crude producers ended the first phase of formal talks without agreeing on the magnitude of new supply limits. WTI traded at $52.89, a fall of 36 cents per barrel, while Brent finished at $61.56, a drop of 52 cents per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude was easing again early Thursday in Asia as a risk of sentiment had crept back into the global stock markets, pushing equities across the region into the red at the start of the day's trading. OPEC ministers meeting in Vienna later in the day are expected to agree to a reduction in supply for the first 3 to 6 months of 2019, but given the continued lack of clear signal from the Saudis and the Russians, that probability will likely to be priced in only when it is a fact. Open spec naphtha prices also dropped sharply by $21 per metric ton to the $492 per metric ton on CFR Far East Asia levels. Ethylene prices in Asia on Wednesday slipped. Prices fell mainly on account of persistent weaker buying interest across the Asian region, coupled with ample product availability. Bearish downstream PE demand trends further supported the price drop. CFR Northeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed down at $910 per metric ton mark, a decline of $10 per metric ton from Tuesday's assessed levels. CFR Southeast Asia prices were also assessed lower at $825 per metric ton levels, a sharp day-on-day fall of $30 per metric ton. Let's take a look at futures on China's Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On December 6, 2018, LLDP prices are lower by 5 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 8,460 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are down by 21 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,282 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices remain steady from the previous settlement at 6,640 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Shanghai Sako Petrochemical is in plans to restart its 300,000 metric ton per year polystyrene plant located in Shanghai, China this weekend. The plant was shut for maintenance turnaround in early October 2018. Polymerupdate is now on Google Assistant and Google Home devices. Just ask the right question about polymer-related news and prices. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Hyderabad-based Kinetic Polymers, the makers of various ESD-safe products like anti-static, conductive products. The company fabricates ESD furniture like workstations or tables, ESD chairs, ESD trolleys and shelves. The company also makes various master batches like anti-static, conductive, VCI, anti-rodent and HIPS, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Thursday, December 6th. This is Hetal Yagnik. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.